The government of Uttar Pradesh has started administering precaution doses or booster doses, if you may want to call them that, to senior citizens. I am at the Civil Hospital in Lucknow. This is one of the government's biggest facilities in Uttar Pradesh's capital. You can see here that there is a trickle of people, there are a trickle of people in fact who've come here to get their vaccinations. All of them are senior citizens because this is the area that is exclusively reserved for precaution doses for senior citizens. If you look at this list over here that the healthcare workers are preparing, a lot of people, or if not a lot of people, certainly people are coming in to get their booster doses. Ma'am, can I have your name?
My name is Diksha Singh.
Diksha ji, what is the kind of response to the precaution doses? I know it's the first day, but are people coming in a huge number or are they coming in slowly and slowly?
Slowly and slowly, obviously, people are coming slowly, but they are coming. But people are trying to get maximum doses. Third dose is very necessary now.
All right.
And all the 60 plus age group booth is this. This booth is 60 plus age group.
Yeah.
And right now, it's 32 people have got vaccinated.
32
here.
people.
Yeah.
Have you been involved in the vaccination process earlier too, ma'am?
Yes, I've been here from April last year.
That's quite a lot. How
10
challenging has it been for you to ensure that people get fully vaccinated? I saw that the number of fully vaccinated people in UP is about 53%, which is still low compared to some other states. What has been the challenge for people like you to get this done?
What I personally feel is in remote areas, there are people who are scared of it. Still they are, but now they are educated. They are covering.
Yeah.
We are trying to cover more and more people.
Yeah.
But still I know there are people who are scared.
Yeah.
But it's a message to everyone, get vaccinated because we have to beat this third wave.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Please do carry on. So there you have it, that lady telling us that it is important to get vaccinated. Sir, आपका हो गया डबल डोज? आपका भी हो गया? हो गया. क्या नाम है आपका?
ध्रुवेंद्र कुमार.
कहाँ से हैं गुरवेंद्र जी?
लखनऊ से.
लखनऊ से ही हैं. आज ही पहले ही दिन आपने आना ठीक समझा या आपको कोई मैसेज आया?
मैसेज आया था कल और पहले दिन आना ठीक समझा ताकि भीड़ भाड़ कम हो और आराम से लग जाए.
कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है ये प्रिकॉशन या बूस्टर डोज आपके
बहुत
साथ?
इम्पोर्टेंट.
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
अगर
क्यों सर?
सरकार ने फैसला लिया है तो इम्पोर्टेंट ही है क्योंकि हमको 9 महीने हो चुके डोज लगाए और यूजुअली जो रिपोर्ट्स आ रही हैं कि 9 मंथ्स ही वो है उसका, इसलिए ज़रूरी था.
बिल्कुल.
और अभी ओमिक्रॉन का चल रहा है, स्पीड बढ़ रही है,
बिल्कुल.
इस हिसाब से बहुत ज़रूरी था.
बिल्कुल. जी मैम, आपका नाम क्या है?
नीलम कुमार.
हाँ.
नीलम कुमार.
नीलम जी, आपको भी ये ज़रूरी लगा कि पहले ही दिन आके आप अपना बूस्टर डोज लगा लें, ऐसा क्यों?
सेफ्टी के लिए.
अच्छा, आप क्या कह रहे थे सर?
मैंने कहा सिस्टम बहुत अच्छे हैं. कल मैसेज आया, साथ के साथ रजिस्ट्रेशन हो गया, टिकट इशू हो गया, टाइम स्लॉट इशू हो गया, आके आराम से लग गया.
Thank you so much. So there you have it, these senior citizens here coming in on day one for their precaution or booster dose and saying that it's very important to get vaccinated with the third dose too for those who are eligible. And this is something that we hope will happen across UP, and the number of fully vaccinated people can also increase ahead of that all crucial election that is starting in just a month from now. With camera person Vineet Kumar, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.